Hi there. If you're watching this, chances are you're dealing with a hard surface that's seen better days. Maybe it's a terrazzo floor that's lost its luster or natural stone that's been scratched and worn down over time. Whatever the case, you're in the right place. Let me show you how Sureshine can help. This terrazzo floor, for example, had been through years of overwaxing, overmopping, and under maintenance. But when we got the call to bring it back to life, we knew just what to do. I'll walk you through the process in just a moment, but first let me tell you a bit about who we are and why Sureshine is the best choice for your hard surface restoration needs. Sureshine has been a trusted name in the restoration and hard surface field since 2003. Founded by Ted McFadden, we've grown from a small operation to serving clients across Southern California and Dallas-Fort Worth areas. Through recessions, economic shifts, and industry changes, we've remained committed to one thing: delivering outstanding results that exceed our expectations and our customers' expectations. Our dedication to quality has made us one of the highest reviewed brands in the stone, tile, and hard surface care industry. But what really sets us apart, it's our people and our values. At Sureshine, we live by core principles: honesty, results, alignment, accountability, safety, and continuous improvement. These aren't just words that we put on a wall. They're the foundation of how we do business every day. When you choose Sureshine, you're choosing a team that values transparency, delivers top-notch results, and always strives to get better at what we do every day. Now, back to this terrazzo floor. Terrazzo is a bit of a rarity in the West Coast, so it's not surprising that many contractors and maintenance teams aren't quite sure how to care for it properly. And over time, what starts as a beautiful, durable surface can become a maintenance headache if it's not treated right. Regular polishing with abrasive pads and an auto scrubber can keep it looking great for years. But once you apply a wax, you're no longer maintaining the terrazzo itself. You're maintaining a wax layer that's prone to scratching, scuffing, and yellowing over time. When we arrived, this floor had multiple layers of wax that needed to go. We started by using a water-based wax stripper and a stripper pad to remove all those layers. Then we moved on to the polishing phase. Using floor diamonds ranging from 120 to 1800 grit, we achieved a high mechanical shine, one that's created purely through the use of abrasives with no chemicals, polishing powders, or crystallizers involved. After the initial polishing, we finished the floor using diamond abrasives, bringing out its natural beauty and shine. The result? A stunning, easy-to-maintain surface that will stay cleaner for longer, especially when cared for using the recommended methods. And here's something interesting. This project convinced us to invest in planetary machines. These machines may not be needed for every job, but when they save us hundreds of man-hours and deliver exceptional results. It's just one example of how we're looking for ways to improve our service and deliver even more value to our clients. So what does this mean for you? If you had a lobby, a commercial space, or a home that's in need of TLC, we're ready to help. Whether it's terrazzo, natural stone, concrete, tile, grout, Sureshine specializes in making all hard surfaces look like new again. Getting started is easy. Just click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and we'll reach out to you. If you prefer, give us a call at 714-841-8300. Most repairs can be quoted just by sending us photos, and if we need to come out, we promise to value your time and provide a tailored estimate right away. No hassle, no waiting period, and no waiting around, just great service. And if you're curious about our process or our core values, or you're interested in joining our team, we'd love to chat. Let's see how we can align your goals with ours and grow together. At Sureshine, we don't just restore surfaces. We restore confidence in your space. We can't wait to meet you and make your floors look amazing again.